The negotiation process starts after you complete treatment. We're gathering medical records as we go and additional documentation. Once you complete treatment, we then put together a demand package with all of the supporting documentation. That can take anywhere from 1 week to several weeks, depending on how quickly we can get your medical records. Once we submit that information to the insurance carrier, they usually have about 14 to 30 days to review it. There will come a time in negotiations where we get the best and final offer from the insurance carrier. Sometimes that can take weeks, and unfortunately sometimes that can take months, because it's a careful dance back and forth between the carrier, and all carriers are not the same. Some are much more reasonable, some will reject every single argument that we make, so it's definitely a different process. It can take months, and it's important to understand that even after you've finished treatment, that you're not looking at a potential resolution of your claim for months later. Every case is different, so it's important that we can walk you through that process to understand the negotiations and settlement discussions so that you can make the right decision for you and your family.